Good dripping.
So I guess this time I'll be installing a fuel cell. Well, before I do anything, I'm going to pull the old tank and inspect it.
Alright, so we got this gas tank out. This hose was broken on top. And we couldn't even put gas in the tank. There is still some gas in there, but it just tore. Looks like a considerable amount of rust there at the opening of the tank. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to bother trying to clean it. I think I'll just put a fuel cell in the bed and call it good. So we dumped some of the gas out of it. And I don't know if you can tell. That is bad. Very bad. So, yeah, fuel cell for sure. Run new fuel lines. I don't know. Hopefully the fuel pump's good, but that's probably bad as well.
I had to make a drop down for this sump, and so I worked on that a little bit off camera.
So anyways, here's what it looks like. It's pretty crude. Doesn't look real great, but I'm really not awesome at welding, but it is pretty sturdy. I can step in it and it'll hold my weight, which says a lot. But anyways, I just wanted to keep like a shield in there, like if a U-joint or anything like that ever broke on the drive shaft. And I have torn drive shafts in half. I actually have a really bad luck with drive shafts, it seems like. But anyways, if one ever decides to go flying around, I didn't want it to come up and hit the bottom of the fuel cell and knock a hole in it and set the thing on fire. So I put this shield in there, and I think I'll go ahead and drop the fuel cell in.
I put together some fuel lines that connect to the original steel lines. But before I hooked up to the original steel lines, I cleaned them out and blew them out with compressed air. I didn't video it, but I did have to put a fuel pump in it. And I put a fuel filter with a return back on it.
Well, you think I'd learn by now to get everything ahead of time, but I forgot to order a fitting to go from the fuel line out of the fuel pump to the inlet of the filter. So I'm having to take a piece of old junky line that I removed from this. I'm going to cut it down because I had to cut off that end. And this line's kind of garbage, but I think it'll be good enough to get me through. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it off with my cutter and make it work.
Now the fuel system buttoned up, it should be able to run. It's my first time to move it, and at least now I know the transmission's good. Now that I got it running and moving, I can move on to other parts of the Jeep. As always, thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll continue to make more.